Another point to look while purchasing antivirus software is compatibility. It may be possible that we are having Windows PC. Then it may be possible that we are also having one MacBook. Then, as per the trend of the general public, we are also having latest iPhone. Then one of our family members is also making use of Android phone. All these devices have different operating software. Windows PC has Windows operating system, MacBook has Mac OS, iPhone has iOS, and Android phone has Android OS or Android operating software. So operating software in case of these devices is different. So we should choose an antivirus software which is compatible with all these devices, which supports all these devices. It is not that at present we are having only these two devices, Windows and MacBook, but it is possible that we may purchase an iPhone in the near future because one of our friends has purchased latest Apple mobile phone. So naturally we may also be tempted to buy the same. So keeping in view our future tendency to buy other products, other latest products, we should choose an antivirus software which is compatible with various operating systems. So we should also ensure that the antivirus software which we are going to purchase is compatible with specific version of each operating system which you use at present. Then we should also ensure that the antivirus software which we are going to purchase should function smoothly with other installed software on our devices and does not result into conflicts or slowdowns. We should also ensure that our antivirus software is compatible with the hardware specifications of our devices to ensure that there is optimal performance. Then we should purchase antivirus software which covers all our devices, whether it is PC, MacBook, iPhone, Android, under a single subscription. Because if we individually purchase antivirus software for each product, it will cost us more. Further, we will have to remember when the antivirus software subscription is going to expire. It will naturally cause a unnecessary mental burden to renew the subscription of antivirus software of all these devices from time to time. So when we have multi-device protection under a single plan, and at the time of renewing a single subscription will cover all our devices and the protection will be provided by the antivirus software. So we should purchase that antivirus software which provides us coverage in respect of various devices under a single subscription. So while purchasing antivirus software, we should keep into mind operating software and its compatibility with hardware and other software and multi-device protection plan. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.